Today we're going to be talking about subject and verb agreement on NoRedInk. So this video today is going to be focusing on the agreement with collective nouns bubble. Now, collective nouns are words like group, team, town, committee, class, family, any of these that are technically a singular word. So there's one team, but that team is made up of multiple people. That's what it's collective. So if you have a collection of something, you probably have more than one. So when we have what is referred to as a singular collective noun, we want to make sure we pair it with the singular verb. So here we have the team of swimmers is going to mention Dave's name tonight. Now some of these get tricky because we hear the word swimmers, which for us is plural, and we want to obviously pair that with a plural noun. So swimmers are going to mention. But because we have the collective noun here, which is singular, we want to make sure we're using that singular verbiage. So let's do a few of these together. 4 classes of students has Tina Fey to thank for their successful science fairs. So we want classes, which is plural, classes have. This is our plural to match up with our plural. The council, so that's our collective noun. The Council of Wise Women want to recruit Luna Lovegood as a spokesperson for the cause. So the council is singular, so we want the council wants, which is singular. When you're looking at the verbs, it can sometimes be tricky because when we think about making things plural, like the word cat, we would make it plural by adding an S. But if you get to the verbs, a lot of times it's actually the opposite. So for instance, the cat chases with an S, the ball, versus the cats chase. So we don't like having the double S ending, so we tend to rotate those. It's just a kind of a memory trick as you're working through trying to figure out what is the singular or plural version of a verb. Now here we have 3 councils, so that's plural, of student leaders help. Okay, we don't want to fall in that S trap, so here's our plural verb, just use help, not helps. If the choir of elderly women, so one choir, so we want the singular verb, slows down. Several clubs, meaning we have multiple, so we want a plural verb, which we actually already have here with the word send. So on this one, we don't need to make any changes. I hope this was helpful for you. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.